Ever had the burning desire to stake your claim on the internet with your very own domain, but were put off by the price? Well, today's your lucky day because Hostao is here with an irresistible offer. Imagine owning your very own domain for just a single rupee. Here's how you can get in on this deal. First, click the offer link that's provided below. This will take you to a page where you can search for your desired domain name. If it's available, don't hesitate. Register it immediately by clicking the register button, then select checkout. Next, you'll need to configure your domain. Here, you can choose DNS management. If you have a specific name server in mind, you can configure it. If not, don't worry. You can set it up on your host's name server. After you've done that, click continue. Now we're at the checkout section. To get this offer, make sure you select a registration period of 3 years. You can also switch the default currency from USD to INR. Once you've done that, you'll see that the domain cost for 3 years is just Rs 10.95. With a tax of 18%, your total comes to Rs 12.92. Ready to check out? Click on the checkout button. Here, you can sign up either through Google or by providing your personal details. Don't forget to include your WhatsApp number in the additional information column and create a strong password to secure your account. Next, you'll need to complete the KYC process. Click on the Verify Now button. You'll have the option to use your driving license, national ID, or passport for verification. For instance, if you choose your national ID, you'll need to provide the ID details and a clear photo of both sides. In the next section, select your preferred payment method. You can choose between credit card, debit card, PayPal, or offline bank transfer. If you choose the latter, make sure to complete the transfer within the specified time. After you've made your selection, accept the terms of service and click on the Complete Order button. Voila, your invoice is created. Transfer the total amount of Rs 12.92 to the bank account provided. Once you've made the payment, click on Back to Client area. This will take you to the Client section. Here, you can view your domain details in the Domain section. After uploading your KYC, you'll need to wait for 15 minutes for verification. Once approved, your domain will be active. Don't wait. Log into Hostao now and take advantage of this incredible offer. Your very own piece of the internet awaits.